I have peanut butter everywhere. Listen. I know this is a mess of a video, but you know what? What do you expect from me? Things are falling. I've got this. Oh, maybe if I do that. I've already cut my finger. I broke the Cuisinart. Aren't you glad you tuned into this video? We're experimenting here. I need a drink. Hold on. This is going to work, I promise you. I'm gonna have to figure this one out. I'm creating peanut butter. I don't even know what I was doing wrong. You guys try to taste peanut butter while you're filming yourself, trying to not look like a hog. It all just fell apart. Hi everybody, welcome back. How y'all doing? I thought today, I was laying in bed and Rob said, I think we're out of peanut butter. And I'm thinking, that's fantastic, because I was gonna make some peanut butter. That was my plan. We got this big family size peanut thing here. We got this, and I thought we'll never eat all these peanuts. Well, we might, but anyway, that's beside the point. I want to make peanut butter out of this. I'm gonna try anyway to do this. Now things are starting out great already. Okay, let's see. I've already cut my finger. Alright, I got my Cuisinart out right here. See, I got all my Cuisinart stuff out. I got all the things out to do this. And I've already cut my finger, so there's a little bit of blood happening here. I probably should go find a Band-Aid, but I don't feel like it. I just don't feel like doing that. My hair is a hot mess. I look like I have like shining, I don't know. But let's make peanut butter. I broke the Cuisinart. Let me start there. I did. I feel like I have a rat's nest. Okay, well, whatever. It all just fell apart. This thing goes in here somewhere, and the whole thing just fell apart. And I don't know what to do with it. So yeah, this is how our video is starting out on how to make peanut butter. I've never made peanut butter before in my life. I've had homemade peanut butter before, and I really like it. And I thought, well, let's just try. So let's just try this. But in trying to get this Cuisinart to work, I broke it. So we're gonna go another route with this. Aren't you glad you tuned into this video? I'm gonna just put the broken Cuisinart over there, and when Rob gets home, maybe he can look at it. I couldn't even get the thing started. I don't even know what I was doing wrong. So we're gonna use my blender. Hold please. I have a blender with a canning lid in it. I don't know where that came from. Who knows? Let me get the rest of the blender. Hold on. Pieces. I'm getting pieces out of the cupboard. Stay there. Oh, things are falling. Things are falling. I've got this. I've got this. My blender. We're going to try to make peanut butter out of the blender. And not only just regular peanut butter, like chocolate peanut butter, like Nutella peanut butter. If I could figure all this out, this is a mess. I know this is a mess of a video, but you know what? What do you expect from me? I make messes of videos. That's just what I do. We've got this thing here. The goal is to like homemade peanut butter out of just regular peanuts. I don't know if it's gonna work. Oh, it looks like Rob's been into this. It's already open. Yay for us. I have no idea if this is gonna work. But we're just gonna dump some of this in here. Some fell on the floor for the dog. Lucky dog. I am holding on to my napkin here. Alright, I'm gonna start this and see what happens. Plug it in. After I plug it in, plug it in. Plug it in, plug it in, plug it in. Okay, you ready? Let's see if this works. This doesn't seem like it's on there very good. Oh, there. Okay, you ready? On. You ready? You ready? Ready? Okay. Which one should we use? Alright, we'll just use that. That's not going fast enough for me. Oh. Let me stir it up a little bit. This might work, you guys. I don't know. It might work. It might not work. It might work. I don't know. We're just winging this. We always wing things at my house. In fact, Rob made a video a little bit ago, and he said he's just winging it. For those of you that know, Rob doesn't wing it. He winged it on that one. You ready? Well, now it's just sticking to the sides. I'm going to have to figure this one out. See? It's made like a hole. It does smell good though, but we're gonna figure it out. We out. I might have to add just a little bit of oil to it. I don't know. All right, that's not. Let's do. Oh, maybe if I do that. We're getting somewhere. Rock the thing. If you rock the blender, it seems to work better. Let's add a little bit of oil. Let's do that. Normally you'd probably add peanut oil to the peanuts, but I have olive oil. I don't have peanut oil. Just a little bit. Just a blob. There, let's just try with that. All right, you ready? This is gonna be really good, I promise. I promise. I don't know why it just wants to stick to the sides. I'm sure that if the food processor probably would have worked better, but then again, I broke that. It is kind of working though. I mean, it's chopping up the peanuts. It's doing that. Just keep going with it. Now, how am I going to get all that off the sides? Maybe if I add some more oil. Yeah, we're going to add more oil to this mess. This is going to work, I promise you. It will work. A little more olive oil. Here we go. One more time. Let's see. Maybe if I just pulse it. Pulse and stir. Oh, here's the stir button. Let's try that. Oops. Oh, I turned it off. Oh, jeez. Don't do this at home. Oh, looky there. Oh, we got it flying out. I'm just going to let it run for a while, and I'll be back. Look, it's all turning now. This might work after all. All right, I'm going to let it run, and I'll be right back. You guys, it's working. This has been like just about 2 or 3 minutes on that stir setting. Look at what we're doing here. I'm creating peanut butter. That's exciting. So just that low stir. Where was that at? Low stir. Just keeping it going there. It worked. And adding probably like a tablespoon of oil. And it's working. It really is working. So if you're out of peanut butter at your house and you have peanuts, throw some in the blender. And this is probably better for you because it doesn't have all the other crap in it that other peanut butter would have. Not that peanut butter has crap in it or anything, but this is just peanuts and a little bit of oil for now. Let's check it out. Oh, look at that. We made peanut butter. Tastes just like peanuts. Oh my. Yep, it's peanut butter now. I need a drink. Hold on. It's working. Oh, by the way, look. Have you smiled today? Let's all smile. Now, to this, remember I wanted to make like a Nutella, like a chocolate peanut butter? I have hot chocolate mix. I don't have cocoa powder or anything like that, so all I have is like milk chocolate, this stuff. So I thought, why not? It might work. Who knows? It might work. Let's try this. We're experimenting here. Swiss Miss, let's pour a little bit in there. Just a little bit. Are you ready? Let's see what this did. Should we do the high one? Yeah. Probably just the stir. The high one just made the powder fly everywhere. I'm going to give it a stir around. I might have to add some more chocolate mix. Yeah, I think I'm going to. Because I want it more chocolatey than that. So we're going to add some more. Because why not? There. Let's see. Back to the pulse. Alright, now let's get it out of here and see what it looks like. This is going to be really good, I promise. Oh, did you see my new addition? I have a new addition to the kitchen. Look here. My pools, they're roosters. Isn't that just the cutest thing ever? Just in case you're wondering, I got those at Hobby Lobby and they have cows and other animals too. I'm going to get the cows next, I think. Alright, let's get this out of here. Look at that. Now, when Rob comes home and says, do we have peanut butter? Did you get peanut butter today? I made it. I made you some chocolate peanut butter. I did. Let's taste it. Listen, You guys try to taste peanut butter while you're filming yourself, trying to not look like a hog eating it. It's a win. It's a win. Just get some of those peanuts in your blender and start whipping them up. You could teach your kids how to make peanut butter. If you have little kids or grandkids, you're going to say, hey, let's make some peanut butter, and they're going to be shocked. Enough of my peanut butter video. We did it. We made peanut butter. And I didn't cut myself anymore, so that's a plus. Subscribe. Consider subscribing. We have fun over here. I have to go clean this mess up now. I have peanut butter everywhere. Subscribe. Come back for more. We have fun around here. We try to anyway. I will see you in my next video. Bye.